What is up, you guys? Back with another video, and I read this article titled Want $1 million in Retirement? Investing $10,000 in each of these two stocks for the long term could help you on your way. And as always, I read the article and then I put it into slides. So these are two stocks for retirement investing. The first one is Amazon, and these are the points for why Amazon is a candidate for how you can get to $1 million in terms of its dominance in the e-commerce space, the growth that it is continually to do, not just in e-commerce, but also increasing in AI and web services. And the financial health, as always, has always been really good in terms of its valuation and cash flow. And overall, the long-term appeal, historically, it's just a long-term investment. Amazon has yielded substantial returns, as you guys can just see. Even if you look at the historical charts, just look from where it is to when the stock split happened to where it is now. It's always doing good. The next one is Netflix. And Netflix, the reason for this one is because it is the main leader in streaming in the streaming industry. It holds the top position in the global streaming markets with over 270 million paid subscription users. That is a lot. But of course, you see with this growth, they are also expanding in new content areas like live sports and gaming, and also experimenting with new pricing strategies, which we've all seen happening. And I think the live sports is, from what I've seen, I do see that boxing fight that's going to be coming up with Mike Tyson versus Jake Paul. So there's, I guess, one, but I know there's many others. So the financial performance, of course, the shares are doing really good in terms of earnings. I'm sorry for this typo, where it says shares are trading at 35 times earnings. Basically, I was just saying that the shares are just always, the earnings are just doing really good. And just really high multiple. And the resilience and innovation, Netflix has been successful in navigating various market challenges. Basically, honestly, to be in simple words, raising the prices, getting more content that people like, and this is how it's doing good. So now let's go into the pros and cons. These are the list of pros that I put together so you can look at it over. As I should say that I've already talked about it in previous slides, but here it is again. And these are the cons for why you might not want to invest in it. But overall, the stocks are both really good. Amazon's a really good bet. I know I have a couple shares in that. Netflix, I had one. I actually had to do it a couple as well, but I sold those off to put into ETFs. So that's where I stand with this. But other than that, this concludes this video. As I've said in the previous one, I don't have a lot of subscribers, not a lot of activity in terms of views. So I'm going to keep these videos short, hopefully get a wider view of audience and higher watch time. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next.